Hi everyone, welcome to my hair care routine. Let me introduce to you our Bio Roller G4 Microneedling for skin and hair. And it's also came with Femv Hyaluronic Serum. Before you start, make sure to sanitize the Bio Roller with an alcohol solution of 70% before every use. This is to ensure safety. While waiting for your Bio Roller, make sure to cleanse your scalp with any cleanser of your choice to remove all traces of dirt and sweat. After cleansing, I apply Femv Serum onto the scalp and give your scalp a little massage before using the Bio Roller. For the treatment area, delicately roll the derma roller back and forth in each direction, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. Repeat this motion 5 to 10 times. Remember to lift the derma roller off your skin before changing the rolling direction and maintain a uniform speed and pressure for the best results.